Wouldn't it be great if your vehicle knew where you wanted to go and could tell you how to get there? Thanks to your sync system, you can get directions by simply using your touchscreen. Let me show you how. First, press the green navigation bar. You'll see the map with a blinking arrow icon indicating your current location, a zoom in and out icon, a change view icon, a map orientation arrow, and a destination and menu icon. Pressing destination brings up a list of several choices, including street address, favorites, my home, and more. If you know the address you want, touch street address. If you've turned on the autofill state province under navigation preferences in the settings menu, the state will automatically populate. If you have it off, you'll have to input the state name manually and then type in the city or street. You'll notice that the number on the right goes down as you enter in the address. That lets you know how many possible matches there are for your city or street. You can press it at any time for a list of options that remain. Once you finish inputting your address, press Go to bring up a map of your destination. Then set as destination. From this map screen, you can also choose whether you want your navigation system to give you the fastest, shortest, or most eco-friendly route. Once you choose which one you want, press Start Route. To set your system to default to your preferred route, just go to Menu, Navigation Settings, then Route Preferences to choose shortest, fastest, or most eco-friendly. Oh, and if you have your Always Use Preferred Route set to Yes, Sync Navigation will automatically default to it and you won't have to select one.